Welcome back to the shop. All right, we're going to show you a little trick real quick. This 09 Mercedes SL 550, step back and y'all can get a look at it, is in for it's a 95,000 mile service. Basically, it's a B service. It's basically just an inspection, oil change. And he said that this tire keeps going flat. And we sprayed the outside with Windex. I like using Windex. It's kind of expensive, but you have to waste a lot looking for a leak. So what we did, I didn't see anything on the outside, didn't see anything on the surface. Look at those bubbles. And it's got an obvious crack right there. Can you see that? My camera on the bad angle here. Let's see. So, let me wipe it away. I'll show you. There's a crack right there. He was worried about a crack. Spray your Windex on it and bam, there's your bubbles. See, it's blowing bubbles like a little kid with a jar of bubbles. All right, there it is. So we're gonna have to take that wheel off, and I don't know if they can repair that at a wheel shop or we'll have to replace the wheel one. I would imagine they can repair that, take the tire off, weld it up, and be done with it. But we'll see what the customer wants to do, get some pricing, and go from there. I'm sure that AMG wheel is not cheap. So we have some local wheel repair guys that can weld aluminum, smooth that stuff back out, true wheels up, paint wheels, restore wheels, all kinds of stuff. Save you a lot of money on the repair versus replacing the whole wheel. Some of those wheels can be $800, $900, $1,000, $1,500, whatever a piece. So we will that's about it on this video. I just wanted to show you a quick little trick on finding a leaky tire, whether it be a nail, cracked wheel, a leaking valve stem. Sometimes they'll leak straight out of the valve stem core, so sprayed inside the core, sprayed around it, all that good stuff. So we'll wrap this one up. Just a quick, easy trick I wanted to show you while I was in here tinkering with this. I'm not going to do a video on this car changing the oil and looking it over unless I run into something. If I run into something, then I'll let you know. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Peace.